Today we'll be checking out the Beautifully Well box for this month. It's usually got some beauty stuff and a bit of wellness items. First off, we've just got a little card that says, "Love yourself enough to nourish yourself and flourish yourself." Got a bit of information about each product that's in the box. A little bit of advertising for a 30-day gut detox program. A bit more advertising. Okay, so the first item we've got is your Whatnot Natural Organic Sensitive Facial Wipes. It's an organic skincare wipes that are kind to your skin and the environment. It's a pack of 5. Next up, we've got the Shelby's Healthy Hedonism Dusted Almonds. We have 1 packet of the cinnamon and yogurt. Actually open these so we can have a little look. So it's 1 almond, and they coated in yogurt and then cinnamon. And then we've got a packet of the raspberry and dark chocolate as well. So they're coated in dark chocolate and then dusted with like a raspberry powder. They're quite nice. Next up, we've got some Argan Oil of Morocco Nourishing Shampoo. It's crafted from a minimum of 90% natural ingredients with no nasties. So we've got a shampoo and a conditioner from them. Small bottles, but great to give it a try and see if you like it. Next up, we've got 2 sachets of the Gypsy and Rose Shroom Brew and Super Latte. So this one's a beetroot, strawberry and cinnamon and nutmeg. And the other one is the Shroom Brew, which has got dandelion, lion's mane, and a few other things that I can't pronounce. So you can enjoy this hot or cold in smoothies, yogurt or desserts. Bit of wellness. And then the last thing we've got, a little big box here. So we have a little booklet here from Body Bar. Are you ready for your best skin? So in here we have an Express Scrub Spa Treatment, 1 sachet, and 2 sachets of your Ultimate Mud Spa Experience. Best results, use 1 or 2 times a week. The sachets are quite big and feel fairly full. You've got what I assume is, yes, it's a bath and shower caddy. The perfect accessory for storing your mud mask sachets. So it's got a couple of suckers here which you just pop in and you can hang it up on your shower. It's got holes in the bottom so it'll drain. You use this for anything, toothbrushes, beauty items. Pretty cool idea, something that you can keep in the long run instead of just all these other disposable products. Well, that's it for the Beautifully Well box this month. I hope you enjoyed, guys. See you next month. Bye.